Warm greetings to one and all. Let me introduce about myself. My name is Mr. A. Jasmine Anthony Raj, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Dr. SNS, Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. So today in the sessions, we are going to see about the case study on Agentic AI. So actually we are very familiar with the concept of an AI nowadays. So in every field, AI has an occupied a major role in an everything. So what is meant by agentic AI? So usually if you want to know about an agentic AI means example. So if you want to make our work and simple, so we can able to call this an agent. Suppose if you want to book and house, so the agent can able to take part of the all the roles where he can able to show our house alone. So if we are satisfied with that house, we can able to pay the amount itself. That is allowance is it isn't enough. Likewise, so in an agentic AI means and so it can be able to do and all the things whichever we are giving as a informations or a command which is passed to that. So thank you.
My name is Mr. A. Jasmine Anthony Raj, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to see about the case studies. So nowadays, AI plays a major role in every field. So apart from the AI, I am going to take one step again and going to discuss about the agentic AI. So usually, we might be hearing the word agent. So what does it mean by agent? So he can able to give assistance for completing our work. So take for example, so if you want to catch a house in a new area, so we might be new to that area, so that we cannot able to know what is the plus and minus of that area. So but the agent will be a purpose of a positive, negative, and he can be able to complete our work. So likewise, so here we are going to see the concept about an agentic AI. So we know that concept and working of an AI. So in the working of an AI, the work will be assigned to a different parts, and then it can be able to automatically get completed in a few minutes. So let us see the concept, and let me give the chance to one of my students, and he will explain the information detailing. Thank you.
I am Madhumita. Before entering into the concept of agentic AI, let us know the fundamentals of AI. So what is AI? AI is nothing but it is a process of focusing on everyone. I am Madhumita. Before entering into the concept of agentic AI, let us know the fundamentals of AI. So what is AI? AI is nothing but focusing on creating the machine and system that can react, act, learn and make decisions. Instead of explicitly programmed for every task, we can make AI to do the task. For example, if we want to, for example, we have Siri. If we ask Siri anything about the information, it will give the proper output. So AI can give reasons, perceptions, and also it will learn from the past experience. So let us see the types of AI. We have narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Here narrow AI can do the specific work. For example, Siri. And general AI. General AI can think like human and behave like human. So this is the this AI doesn't come yet. And then super AI is it will behave and react beyond the human intellectual. So this is still now it is an theoretical on paper. It is theoretically we found this is what super AI. So these are the types of AI. Now Vijay will explain the Gen AI and agentic AI concept.
Guys, I am Vijay Sarthi and I am going to explain about generative AI and agentic AI. So why first of all we want to know about generative AI? So generative AI is a concept where an artificial intelligence can itself generate something. Something means multimedia elements. Multimedia elements like what? All like a video, text, image, audio, anything. So a generative AI can generate anything. So let's dive into the generative AI architecture. So at first we have some pre-trained data. Likewise, Madhu explained about AI. We have some pattern recognition data. Okay. So AI always depends on the patterns and then generates the image, audio, video, etc. So we have some pre-trained data that will be going into the transformer, NLP, and the convolution neural network for giving the output, and it generates the output. So I hope you have clearly understand what is generative AI. So now we can go into agentic AI. So what is agentic AI? At first we want to know who is an agent. Agent is a person who do tasks for us. For example, we can take a real estate agent. A real estate agent will have the data about the land information and for which way the land can go. So by these examples, a real estate agent can purchase a land for us and he will get some commissions. So for real-time usage, we can apply agentic AI in ticket booking system. So a ticket booking system, we will be searching for theaters and what movie to watch and how we can pay and what are the seats we want, etc. So these things are the main things. These things all will be taken care of generative AI. Sorry, agentic AI. So agentic AI is a concept which will think and act, and then here we have tools. Okay? So tools is nothing but an accessibility to the software or an external data. So finally, let's look on to the architecture of agentic AI. So at first, we are going to give some inputs. So what are the inputs? Like Google Form submissions or some anything that we want to automate. So when we give the input, the agent takes care of it. The agent has the brain, which is called an LLM. LLM is a very familiar artificial intelligence concept, and this LLM will generate the output, and then the memory. So the memory, why we need the memory? The memory is important because when you constantly chat to an agentic AI, you should remember all the chats. And then tools. Tools is the accessibility as I said. So this is the agentic AI concept. Thank you.
Agentic AI. So finally, let me conclude and let me convey my heartfelt thanks for your wonderful cooperation. Thank you.